How to send text message on Google Voice. First of all, open your web browser and go to voice.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. If you are already signed in, your account will appear automatically. Next, click on the Message tab on the left side of the screen. To start a new text message, click the plus new message button. Enter the phone number you want to text or select a contact from your Google contacts. Type your message in the text field. You can also add emojis, links, or attachments if needed. Once your message is ready, click Send. Your message will be sent through your Google Voice number and it will appear in your conversation thread. You can reply to incoming message, manage conversation threads, and archive or delete message directly from the website. Now you know how to send text message on Google Voice using your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.